G'day, welcome back. Today I'm outside the town of Ador, which has just narrowly missed a wildfire 2 weeks ago. And what I'm doing is a 8k hike around the mountain behind the town itself and looking to see what the damage has been caused and whether in fact it's passable now at all. It was quite widespread devastation over quite a few square miles here 2 weeks ago. It took a long time to get under control, so we'll see the aftermath of that hopefully today, and let's hope we can get round. Well, that's been all uphill, quite a steep hill so far. It's not nice seeing all this devastation. The only thing, I've witnessed quite a lot of this now the last 2 or 3 years here in Spain. And what I am encouraged by is the regeneration. Within 12 months, this will all be green again, or perhaps because it's under shade, maybe not so green, but you'll see the buds of life shooting through very, very quickly. It's really quite eerie. Deep in the woods now, you can see the signs of devastation now. It's incredible. I'm not sure incredible is the right word. It's words escape me. But even in here, you can still see, you can still hear the birds. I can't see them because the cover here is too thick, but yeah, still life within it. Oh, this looks challenging. That was a challenge getting up there. I don't know about my hands all covered in soot. I'm not sure I got any all over me actually, because some branches and everything fell down as I'm coming up, but I'm glad that little bit's over. Shouldn't get any worse, says he, laughing. As I said just now, this really is spooky. It's like walking through a moonscape. No sign of life at all here. This must have been really intense up at this particular part of the hillside. Well, I eventually made it up to the trig point here. Stunning views, but all I get is the smell of smoke now and the utter devastation around me. But nonetheless, it's stunningly beautiful up here, I'll be honest with you. Well worth the effort to get up. Not too difficult. The only problem I had is this last sort of 200-300 meters up, where you're just going over what can only be described as a moonscape, and so the path is not that clear because everything's the same, it's all black. So I'm coming down, I'm going to take my time going down. It's not too bad actually, to be honest with you, and so I've then got another, I think 4 kilometers once I get down off of here along a track. I'm hoping it's a good one. It looks a bigger track than the one that I come up on. So all good, and I'll get back into the town for a beer a little later on, so all good. Well, I'm off the big hill, made it down safely, but look at my hands, both of them, covered in all sorts of soot, and I think I've got some tree sap as well because it's quite sticky. Well, that was quite interesting, sort of tinged with a little bit of sort of sadness, but nonetheless, a good afternoon. Right, let's see what the rest of the path on the way back is like, this final 4 kilometres. The path I took, although it's shown clearly on the map, doesn't actually go anywhere. It just gives access to the farmer that you can hear behind me to his land, and it comes to a dead end, although it doesn't show it on the map. Had a long chat with him. The fire that come through here devastated his tree crops here, and he won't get any fruit or anything off of these for another couple of years now at least. And very hard, he's got to refertilise the soil, and he's very sad because he's been here since a child, and many of the old trees here that you see are gone. Yeah, very sad. Right, I'm almost back on my track now that I should have been on in the first place. Well, sometimes when you get lost you come across a little bit of local history there with the farmer there. It was just interesting to hear what he had to say. This is my way, this is my road. Now what? It's a bloody great hole in it. Oh well, I think I'll make my way up around that. Excuse me if I put the camera away. Well, I got over it. Now, probably another 2 kilometres to the town. Sun's gone down behind me, behind the mountains. But I've still got an hour and a bit of daylight, so plenty of time.